We have another one finished up here, Innovative Car Sound 2014 Toyota RAV4. Now has a brand new Pioneer Bluetooth touchscreen. We installed it with a factory finish dash kit, so it matches the same color, gives it a clean look all the way through. I'm going to show you the original radio that was in the vehicle. This is it here. Customer came in, it said that the radio was no longer working. It would only power on and off, but you couldn't do anything else with it. It comes with a small screen that allows you to see the original backup camera. So we went in, put in all the necessary adapters to retain the steering wheel functions and the original camera. We're going to start off with steering wheel buttons. You've got your plus and minus for the volume and your tracks and the source options. So we're going to crank the volume up from the steering wheel. Now we're going to turn it down. Change the radio stations up and down. And we'll change the source options. It's your Bluetooth back to radio. And now for the backup camera. Show you what the settings look like before going to the camera. Exit out of there. For the backup camera, you hit your home menu screen. Now the way we set up the backup camera, we have two different options to view it. Option 1 is manually going in and turning it on. You hit camera view. It'll activate the backup camera, but we are still in park. This feature here is good so that you can see back behind you if you're towing something, so make sure it doesn't fly off on you. And we'll exit out of there. Now option 2, to activate the backup camera, you go into reverse and the backup camera will kick in, showing the parking assist lines. Then you put the vehicle back into park or drive and the camera will go away. Now I'm going to keep the camera on the screen. I'm going into reverse, kicks in, go into drive, goes away, reverse, park the vehicle. And again back to option 1, home menu, camera view, and you can view it that way. We have car audio for all budgets here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. This is a 2014 Toyota RAV4 with a Pioneer Bluetooth touchscreen. We'll see you guys on the next one.